Once again, good evening, and thank you for calling. Yesterday and today, multiple people called me for different concerns, questions, queries. Thank you so much for that. And this is today's second demo.
Are we going to continue the same topics that we have covered yesterday?
No. This is a different session.
Okay, because I missed yesterday's session.
Today's agenda, and this is second demo. First 15 minutes for a recap of first demo. And next 45 minutes for practical part. To showcase Power BI each operations and usage and regular classes from tomorrow at 5 p.m. In case anyone wants to talk to me, and this is my contact number. I already provided my contact number.
Okay, Mr. Vinay, do we have any classes in the morning?
Sir, I will tell you, sir. I will talk to you, sir.
Okay, sure.
I have total 6 batches in a day. Current batch is 5 p.m. Next batch is at 8 p.m. Sorry, 8 a.m. And this is next week. Yeah, next week actually. Date not at decided, next week. Now, a recap. So my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. I'm a working professional. I'm a current working employee. And the class duration is 50 to 60 hours. Power BI, it's a normal track training, and daily 1 hour is the timing. And my 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours practice time for you. Monday to Friday, compulsory classes, and monthly 2 Saturdays, you are having classes. So this is duration and number of days. And we provide live class videos, daily video, irrespective of your attendance, you will get the video. And 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies, solid theory and practical material. Coming to prerequisite, knowledge on Excel or SQL is an advantage. But without having Excel knowledge, SQL knowledge also, you can start up. That's why I mentioned none. And qualification, any graduate can learn Power BI. And Power BI is a fully supportive graphical user interface component. It is with low code. The code which we write in Power BI is very less. And the current training starts from basics to advanced in a simple but bit detailed manner. And you are looking for fast track training, customized training, any other training, kindly contact on this number. Right. I'm going to cover in the 2 months, first environment components, and then Power BI components. Coming to environment, data warehouse fundamental, data model fundamentals, agile methodology, GitHub versioning. These are environment components and 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. I will give you 3 to 4 hours SQL, but this is not sufficient. And the SQL which I am giving is very important SQL. But this is not sufficient. You have to learn in detail SQL and prioritize 9 topics. I'll give you what are the 9 topics you need to prioritize and go for interview. Get overview of SQL and prioritize 9 topics. And we have cubes, tabular cubes, MSBA. And I'm taking 2-hour session. Interview preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, these all mandatorily we conduct. Mock interview depending on your interest, but FAQ session, resume preparation session mandatory. Coming to Power BI subject, cloud level, these components available. On-premises level, these components available. I told you yesterday the difference between cloud and on-premises. Somebody else storage if you use, that is called cloud. Within your company service, if you keep, that is called on-premises. So these I'm covering and these also I'm covering. Along with that, Power Apps and Power Automate for 4 hours. And this is a content in the next 2 months I'm going to cover. Not just covering, we will give you a good theory practical material. And the training is fully practical on the training starting from today. And you will be having interaction with me during the classes. FAQ is also discussed. Daily live class videos also shared. Resume preparation we will conduct, and one WhatsApp group will be there for our technical questions, concerns, discussions, or any information, any sort of information. After completing this course, you can try in Power BI by keeping 5 years of experience, less than 5, not 5, less than 5. And more opportunities in the current market on this. Power BI, DAX, SQL. More and more. So you can try on this. Sir, what is DAX? It is a language in Power BI. I will take 10 hours, 10-hour session on this. You can try as a support resource. You can try as an admin resource. Power BI support, Power BI admin. So my course sufficient to try in all these positions. And you can go in the combination, Power BI plus MSBA, Power BI plus Tableau, Power BI plus Azure, Power BI plus Synapse. Like these combinations also you can go in case you have knowledge on this. And more than 5, not possible. You need to work at least 1 or 2 projects and then only you can try above 5 years. Without working in a project end-to-end or 1 or 2 projects end-to-end, you cannot try on this. But less than 5, confidently you can try, no doubt in that. So what we provide, what you are eligible in the current market, I clearly mentioned. Right. Now coming to demo part. There are two demos.
Sir,
Yes, please.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Ma'am, sir, then also we can go for a less than 5, sir.
Pardon?
Actually, Power BI, DAX, SQL is there, na, sir. If we go for interview, you have any experience means we have no experience also, they will take for us.
So that we will discuss, madam. I already provided my contact number. Kindly call me on that.
Okay, sir.
Right. Guys. Yesterday demo, I completed this part. So what is this part? Data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy I covered. Data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy. I'm giving just a recap for 5-10 minutes. Kindly concentrate. In the current market, we are having 3 types of data. First one, structured. Second one, semi-structured. Third one, unstructured. So in detail discussion, we'll see in the regular class. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are working on structured, semi-structured, unstructured data. And this data available in 2 formats, file format and database format. And this storage in 2 places. One is on-premises, second one cloud. On-premises, within the device or organization storage. Cloud, somebody else's storage. So 3 types of data, 2 formats of data, 2 types of storage. And coming to IT applications.
Can I ask one question?
Sir, give me 10 minutes time, sir. I will open for it.
No, no,
Just
yesterday
I'm giving a recap of yesterday's session.
That's I have a question. I have a daughter in yesterday class.
Yeah, please hold on. Let me complete this. I'll open for questions. IT applications. There are 2 types of IT applications. One is business running. In the market, you are able to see many applications. Couple of them for business running, couple of them for business analysis. And you guys chosen a path to provide business analysis, not to run the business. So whatever the business data available, you will take it and generate reports or dashboards. So general public, by using multiple platforms, web, desktop, and mobile, they use forms to perform operations. Finally, data stored in a storage area. That is a transactional storage area. Your transactional data, your business data stored here. As an analytical resource, you need to implement business intelligence process, create analytical storage. From here, report a dashboard you need to generate. And whatever you generated, that is viewable through web, desktop, and mobile. So this is the area you guys going to participate in the companies. You will implement BA process, create analytical storage, generate report and dashboard. Report or dashboard. So 2 types of IT applications, and you belong to this part. Now BA applications. And this is a process. This is a process we follow in real time as a BA process, and it is given early 90s. According to this, your business data or any data through ETL layer moved into huge storages. This is storage. From here, small storage is created. And finally, the data presented using reports or dashboards, fourth layer. And the information, whatever you get from here is BA data. And management team uses this as part of their analysis. So any company you take, compulsory they implement these tools. Sorry, these layers. But unlucky part is 90s to 2005. If any company wants to implement this approach, compulsory one tool here, another tool here, one tool, one more tool, they need to purchase. So multiple tools, multiple resources, multiple setups required. After releasing MSBA from Microsoft, that was reduced. So MSBA having a suite with multiple tools. This is the first tool, tool 1. This is second tool, tool 2. This is third tool, tool 3. So MSBA having 3 tools, 1, 2, 3. But in a single suite, no need to go to different organizations. One organization, Microsoft, single suite, which will do end-to-end process. So people felt very happy about MSBA. And because of MSBA, Microsoft is a leader for the last couple of years in the market. For the last 15 years, Microsoft is a leader in the IT industry, especially analytics and BA, because of MSBA. Till this day, MSBA having good market, and Microsoft is leader. Started with MSBA, but Power BI retaining it, continuing it. And MSBA having versions like 5, 8, 8R to 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a version from MSBA. MSBA in the sense Microsoft. So from Microsoft side, every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version. Then why Power BI? That answer I explained yesterday. MSBA fully on-premises solution. Everything you need to install in your company servers. You need to manage from the company servers. And mobile tab not friendly. Very limited sources it will support. And embedding not possible. What is embedding? Placing MSBA report in other areas, not possible. Average coding is required. It is not following the market. Because every 2 to 3 years, one version. So Microsoft decided, why don't we release a new component which runs along with the market and having more features, simply cutting edge technology process. That is Power BI. It is strong, MSBA is strong in on-premises, but cloud and all not available. So Power BI level, the first one, cloud available. Second one, no need of multiple tools, single application sufficient. Mobile and tab friendly. Mobile reports, tab reports, desktop reports, wonderful you can generate. And wonderful embedding available. Low code also possible. Low code means less code, no need to write much code in Power BI. Wonderful, stunning visuals available in Power BI. Every month, there is an update from Microsoft. This is giving confidence to all gains in the market, top organizations in the market. This is giving the confidence. Continuously, Microsoft changing the market and adding features to Power BI. So simply, Power BI, it is adding power to the existing business intelligence of Microsoft. This is the first definition, adding power to existing BI. Second definition, a very broader level, Power BI is a low code, less code, cloud and on-premises supportive. Cloud level you can keep and perform. Your company level you can keep and perform. And self-service BI, end-to-end you can do in the Power BI level, and which generates reports and dashboards from data. If anyone asks, explain about Power BI, then explain all these features. If people question, why not Cognos, why Power BI, why not OBIEE or Hyperion, why Power BI? These are the points. If you're able to answer, yes. These are all not possible in Cognos, OBIEE, Hyperion, and many legacy reporting level not possible. Even MSBI level not available. Tableau, from this 40% support Tableau provided, not 100%. The mobile tab friendly and many more. Tableau level not available. And Microsoft announced Power BI in 2013 July. From that, every month we have an update till this month. So MSBA in 2005 and Power BI announced 2013 July. And these are all the advantages of Power BI than MSBA and many other BI tools. And with the given spirit of Power BI low code, Microsoft decided, why don't we release set of low code components as a platform? That is a Power Platform. Power Platform having 5 low code components and Power BI inside Power Platform now. I clearly explained all the components yesterday. And now, actually Microsoft thought people use Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate combination as part of their projects. Very rare this combination usage. Companies are going in a different way. That's why they announced a new component, not new component, new suite, that is Fabric. This is in June 2022. And Fabric is a suite actually. It is a suite. You can say pack. And it is having 4 components majorly. These are the components: Power BI, Data Factory, Data Activator, Synapse. So Microsoft Fabric contains 4 important components. Now you belong to a Fabric resource. So in the market, you may find Microsoft Fabric developers required or Power BI developers required. In that way, you can find and you can apply jobs. Got clarity? So in 2013, 13 to 19, Microsoft Power BI individual. And 19 to 22, it is part of platform, Power Platform. From 2022, it is part of Fabric. So this is a evolution and hierarchy you are supposed to know. I given very clear understanding in the last session. So I'm done. Now, what I want to explain. What are the components Power BI has? And create a sample report. Which converts normal or business data into, you can say business or transactional data. Decision-making data. This I want to explain now. Before I go for it, ask your questions if you have any questions. Yeah. Yes, please. Continue my session. And the session continued till 16. And from here, I will address your questions.
Somebody opened the video. Can you please tell them to stop it?
I already informed them, sir. They're not closing it. So 6:10 p.m. I'll address your questions. Right, come down. What are the components Power BI has? So Power BI having cloud components and Power BI having on-premises components and some other components. And you guys decided to work on cloud, and 95% companies are working on cloud only. That means they are using Power BI Desktop, a component, which is for the report development. The report, whatever they want to develop, by using this, they're developing. Once it is completed, they are moving to Microsoft storage area, not in their company, Microsoft storage area. That is called cloud. However, we keep our data in Google Drive, Apple Cloud, and many clouds the same way. This is Microsoft storage or cloud area. And from here, the customers will get the reports and they browse the reports from this area. So in this area, the reports, dashboards stored and managed. While developing the report, we use these concepts: Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map concepts. Once again, who all interested for cloud? Of course, 95% people interested for cloud only. They are using Power BI Desktop for report development, and they are using these concepts. Once the report is developed, and the report, they are moving into this area. And from this, they are managing the reports. And customers or whoever wants to connect, they need to connect to cloud. But 5% people not interested for cloud. Then they are using Power BI Reports or Desktop, a separate desktop. This is for report development. And they keep the reports in their company servers. That is called report server. From there, the customers and other people will get the reports, browse the reports, and multiple operations, they will do it. So this is the first component, this is the second component, this is the third component, and this is the fourth component. Total 4 components. Important. And also we are having fifth component, report builder. Sixth component, Power BI developer. Seventh component, mobile publisher. Eighth component, Power BI embedding. So these are the 8 components Microsoft given in Power BI level as Power BI components. And these are the 4 concepts Microsoft given as part of a report development component. Don't worry, I will explain in detail about this picture from tomorrow in the regular class. But now what I'm going to do is I will show you how to develop a report by using this. How do we implement these concepts? A simple example. Shall we see this? So what is the component name we use it for report development? What is desktop? Normal meaning, general meaning, GUI area, where we perform set of operations, fully graphical area. And we have Windows desktop, Tableau desktop, Power BI desktop. Now come to Power BI desktop. Power BI graphical user interface area to perform set of operations. And majorly this desktop to develop a report by doing end-to-end operations. So what do you mean by that? In case you pass your data, it can extract the data, it can transform the data, it can model the data, it can secure the data, it can visualize the data. Finally, it will give you BA data. So the desktop component will do all these operations and convert your data to BA data. Fixed process, fixed technology. You may feel little panic today, but from tomorrow, same technology, you feel very bored. In the company also, only one component you work on, desktop, no other component for report development. And the process, same process. Component same, process same, no different process. Based on the reporting complexity, the number of logics will increase, the number of logics will decrease. Okay? Now, how do we download it? Hardware, software requirements. Windows 10, 8 also fine. Windows 8 or above is good. Minimum 2 GB RAM required, but 4 GB or above is good. And minimum 2 GHz processor is required. So these are the minimal requirements if you want to work on Power BI desktop. Note, more requirement I will tell you in regular class tomorrow. Then how do we download? 3 ways. A, Google it, advanced download. B, advanced download level, no account is required. B, Google it, download. And here, Microsoft Store download. And we require account. Please don't write anything, just listen to it. I'll be sharing whatever I showed here. And today you are supposed to do a small report creation. After completing the session, what all you need, I will give you. You prepare a report. Feel comfortable, then only continue. So listen to it thoroughly. And third one, Power BI service, downloads and download. And this is recommended in real time. This is recommended 3 ways, but I will use in the classroom perspective, demo process. This download, Google and advanced download. What is the installation process? Click setup.exe, follow the wizard steps, which is nothing but next, finish. Mostly next, finish. Shall I go for it? Right, sir. Now, I will go to a browser. Power BI desktop download. Go down, downloads, the first link. And it is showing all the Power BI components. And go to advanced download. No account is required. Demo practice sufficient. Microsoft saying your data transformed into actionable insights. Microsoft Power BI desktop. Download. These are the requirements in case you want to see in detail, do it. Let her go to download. There are 2 types of software, x64 and normal. This is nothing but x86. Some people say 32-bit software, and this is x64, and this is called 64-bit software. And we call it as system type. Based on your system type, you need to take it. Sir, how do I come to know which one I need to download? Very simple. Go to search, type here sysinfo, system information. Click on this. Here you will see all the things. My system type is 64-bit machine. My processor speed 2.6 megahertz. Normal configuration. And my OS Windows 10 Pro. Your custom system information. So which one I need to download? I need to go to this and download this. Next. Once it is downloaded, you find like this. So these are the times I downloaded. This is the one. Go to this software. Just click on it. Next, finish mostly. No additional configuration and no separate configuration. If it is done, then you will find an icon on the desktop. This is my Windows desktop where Power BI desktop available. Sir, we are able to see one more. Yes. And this is for cloud reporting. Yes. And I told you 95% companies use it. And this is for on-premises reporting. But at this moment, ignore this. And how to download cloud desktop, how to install, how do we see, focus. Yes, it is ready. Okay, you have a report development component. Then where is the data? For our comfortness, I'm taking here Excel. The same Excel I'll be sharing with you. This is my Excel sheet where my family data available. So this is one Excel sheet where my family data available. Excel application. I'll give you this file also. Or you want to enter your data, enter it. Your hostel expenses, your room expenses, anything. Your shop expenses, your store transactions, keep it anything. Analyze it. And in this Excel, date-wise spending available because family expense. So date, amount, reason, area, location. So on this day, especially lockdown time, my spending, how much money, reason, which area, which location. Lockdown. And this is just information about this file or about this content. Now what I want to do, from this, I want to identify what are the locations I traveled most. Which month having highest spending? Top spending reasons and least spending reasons. Year-wise, month-wise spending. So data row is available, but I need answers like this. This is called transactional data or a business data. And this is called as decision-making data. And I want to convert this to this. I'll show you one sample one. You'll understand. Simply, this is my input, family expenses. I want to convert output like this. My total spending, average spending, maximum amount, minimum amount I spent, year available, 2 years data, 2 months available, and top spending, bottom spending, and a composition of spending, locations I traveled. So from here, this kind of report I want to generate. And in between, I'm using Power BI Desktop now. The downloaded desktop, I will use it. Shall I do it? Then what this desktop does, I told you, this desktop will get the data, first operation. If the data is not proper, it will transform. In case multiple sources available, we need to connect. That is called modeling. So transformation means data change. Modeling means relationships. And security applying, finally visual generation. So this is a BA process I'm going to implement in the desktop, finally generate BA data. This is my input, this is my output, and this is what I want to implement in middle. Since it is implementing complete process, we call it a self-service BI. What do we call it? Self-service. All of you clear with this picture? Don't feel panic. Daily we are going to discuss the same. You feel very happy after 2 or 3 days. The terms are new in case you are new to IT, but not complex. This is new but not complex. Right, sir? What to do? You have data, you have application. Open the application first.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sorry to disturb you. Can you explain the concept of SSBI once more? Self-service BI.
Yes, I will explain, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Right. This is the first screen it will open. And we call this as get started screen. Very simple. Quick reference links area. Which area? Quick reference links area. What is new in this month update you can see. Complete Power BI information you can see, history. So current month update you see, and complete Power BI history you will see here. You have some technical questions, concerns, and you want to speak to other organization people or Microsoft experts, forums. And you have some doubt in a topic and you want to read it, tutorial, or you want to take a video help, video. And you want to open recent reports. These are the recent reports. You want to open other reports, other reports. You want to get data into Power BI, get data. So multiple quick reference links available here. So this is called get started screen. Current month update, complete history, and technical questions, concerns, and other raising area, material help, video help, recent sources, bring the data, etc. So if you need it, use it, otherwise close this. This is the actual interface. See guys, this is the actual interface. I will write something. First one, this is color blind friendly interface, which means color blind people can work on. And second one, self-service BA interface, which nothing but the data it can extract, the data it can transform, the data it can establish relationships, security apply, visualization possible. Finally, BA data generated. End-to-end, all we do. That's why self-service BA interface. Sir, how do we do? Assume this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one you consider. And this is the area we'll bring the data. And this is the area we'll transform the data. This is the area we model the data, securize data. And this is the area report the data, visualize the data. So 5 options, 5 processing steps, 5 areas, very nearby. Very nearby. Legacy BI, if you take 90 to 2005, multiple tools, multiple setups required. If you go to MS BI, one suite, but multiple tools required. Power BI not required, single application, all concepts are nearby. That's why this is called self-service BI application. With our current data, I want to show you how to extract it. This I will show you. I know my current data is not correct. Headings and all not proper. I will do some changes. This I will show. But I'm having only one source currently. So more relationship not required. And security is a bigger topic, not required. But visualization required, this I will show. So on our current data, I will show how to extract, how to transform, how to visualize. Okay, right. So these are, this is called quick saving, quickly save on top. And this is the title of the report. And these are called menu tabs. Once again, I will explain in detail tomorrow, but for the time being, menu tabs. And right now, home is underlined and available. This is called home ribbon. And this is called report view. Reporting information will take. This is called data view, where data you see. This is a model view, where relationships you see. So these are called views. These are called tab items. This is called ribbon. And this is called pane, filter pane, visualization pane, P-A-N-E, pane. This is data pane, data available here. And this is a place pages available, page 1, page 2, page 3, you will take. Like this, there are many options in this screen. I will explain in detail tomorrow. For the time being, as discussed, getting data, transforming data, visualizing data, I will show. Focus. So what is the first step we need to do? Get data, Excel workbook. Where is Excel workbook? D drive. Click on it. General files for practice. Family expenses file. Simply browse where is your Excel. When you download from the email, it will be in the download folder. So browse to download folder. So in the Excel level, multiple sheets it is showing. I will take the first sheet. Because first sheet having data. Even these sheets also having data, you select it. But this is empty if you see this. So if you remove it, you will come to know. All are empty. So I don't want this, this. This is having data I'm taking. Click load. So get data, click load. Sir, ready. This is ready. But whether looking good or not, you need to verify. So you got the data, it is showing here. But if you want to see the data, go to this data area. This is to see the data. I'm going to this. See guys, something is not correct. Date. Actually, the column headings in this row, this is supposed to be here. Isn't it? Amount supposed to be here. Reason supposed to be here. Area supposed to be here. But it is not in the same way. What to do? So now we require data change. What is required? Data change. Go to this, click on it, transform data. Extraction completed. Now I'm going to transformation. In this area, it will open a separate window. When you click on it, it will open a separate window. This is transformation window. See this. Do whatever the transformations you want to do. Only one transformation I want to do. Go to this corner, and use this option. What is this option?
Use first row as header.
Why? Because this is the first row, uses headers. The first row I want to use as headers. So click, use first row as headers. Successful and looking good. But I don't require this window now as my operation completed. So save it and close. How? Go to home menu. Here options available. Go to close and apply. First I did the change. Now I'm applying the change and closing. Applying the change and closing. Click on it. See, it is applying the changes and closing. Click data view. See the data. Looking good? Year wise, so date wise, amount, reason, area, location available. What next? Modeling, but only one table available, no modeling. This is modeling, only one available, no modeling. It is systematic process. Data, you take it, data transform it if applicable, data model it if applicable, relationship, secure it if applicable. If nothing, then go to visualization. So we are going to visualization area. So in this area, we take these visuals and we take these fields here. Then the visual will be built. Shall we see that?
So can you please repeat?
Yes. So this is the visualization area, fifth area. Usually in the real time, first process, second process, third process, fourth process, fifth process we do. And this is a visualization area. And some people say a report canvas. Yeah, report canvas, report view or power view area, where we take these visuals and data. Simply these two, we mix it and take it. These are all skeletons, structures, but when we add data, then only make meaningful. These are structures. When we add data, then only meaningful. Right. My first thing is, I want to show total spending across all years, total spending. Then you take a visual called card visual. I will use today card visual, map visual, table visual, and if possible, pie visual, and slicer visual. These 5 visuals I am going to use now. So when do we use which visual? I will explain slowly, but single value you want to show, go to card for single value. So click on it. First you click, it will be available like this. I don't require this, minimize it. I want to show total spending. So this is the amount. You drag and drop in the fields area. So what I did, first I clicked on it. Second, amount I dragged in the fields area. Second. Now it is showing here. Third. Next one. I want one more card. The average amount I want to show. Take amount only in this fields area. First click on the card. Next amount in the fields area. And there is a drop down available. Click on the drop down, average. Ready. Again,
This,
click on card.
So I'm sorry. So this average 1.3K shows the average of amount you have spent every month.
No, not like that. Give me 5 minutes, I will conclude it. So these are total average. We have many values. I'm going to data view. We have many values. These all values total it is showing. These all values average it is showing now. These all values, not for a month, not for a year.
Okay.
All values total, all values average. And I want to find out how many locations I traveled. Locations. But I want location count. So click on this count. See in this area, click on this count. So I did not write any formula, everything available here I'm taking. One is drag and drop, second I'm using this. After drag and drop, whatever the formula you want to take it from here. Fine, sir. I want to format it. Colors and all not good, I want to format. Just go to this. This is fields area. This is format area. For each visual, you have 2 sections. One is columns, second format. Formation, color, font, etc. This is fields, columns. Almost all visuals having 2 sections. First, what is the data? Second, formation. And a call out value. This is called call out value. So go to this and format it. And this is called category label. Go to this and format it if you want to do. Shall I do?
Yes,
Right. Go to call out value. I want just 30 size. Bold. Color, blue color. Display units, none. None means no 1,000, nothing. But if you want million, billion, whatever you want to take it. I just mentioned none, normal value. Similarly, category label. This label, bold, I'm taking here 20, color, pink color, ready. To ready. And for this card, I want to take a border. I'm taking 15. Border I want to take. Then go to general area, under general effects, under effects, visual border on. Don't worry about the navigation. You just go through it, you can do it. One time if you practice, you can remember. Not great options. Ready, sir? Your card is ready. But the same settings I want here. Then highlight this. Format painter. This is the one. Click on it. The same settings I want here. Format painter here, click on it.
Change background color also.
Yeah, whatever you have, the same it will change. But I want to see these values year-wise and month-wise. Year-wise and month-wise. In that situation, we have a filter called slicer. So far, we use only card visual formation, single value show. But if you want to filter, go to this slicer. Slicer, click on this. I want to show year. Go to date hierarchy, year drag and drop. Date hierarchy, year drag and drop. But this is not looking good. I will go to format area, and the formation level, you can take the right formation. I'll take vertical list. So what I did, I took slicer, I moved to formation, slicer setting, option, vertical list. Ready. Now I will go to this header, slicer header. This is called a header. This is called value area. I'll do it very quickly. This colors only I'm taking to make it meaningful. Header. I'll take 15, bold. And coming to values, bold, these values. I'll take blue color. And general effect, I'll take visual border. Here slice is ready. Now Control C, Control V. Copy paste also works. So I'm copying this, Control C, Control V. But here I want to take month, not year. Take month here in the slicer. So one more copy I created. I took month. So drag and drop month into this. So the slicer showing month. Everyone clear? If you select 19, how many locations I travel? 19 average, 19 total. And 20, only you want 20, how many locations I travel, average and total. And if you want July month, because I have only 2 months, July and August. July month, locations, average and total. This is how it will change. This is filtering. But I want to show my top spending and bottom spending. And third visual, I'm taking bar chart. Click on bar chart. This is the one. Ayo, go back. Go to empty area, bar chart. This is bar. Y-axis. This is called Y-axis. And this is called X-axis. And I want to take Y-axis level here. X-axis level value. Go to this Y-axis level. Here I want to take. Here is okay. X-axis level amount. Correct only. Sorry, not here. My spendings I want reason. Y-axis reason, X-axis this. Explore bigger and see. Food amount 55,900. Travel 26,200. So these are my top spending. These are my bottom spendings. You are able to compare. You are able to see. No code we wrote. Just we selected the visual, drag and drop the columns.
Sir, can you please tell bar chart again? Sorry to interrupt.
Just click on the bar chart. First step. And second, Y-axis level mention reason, X-axis level mention amount. So this is showing amount here and reason here. For which reason, how much money I spent. So these are my top spendings. These are my bottom spendings. In a particular year, you want to see 20 level top and bottom spendings, 19 level top and bottom spendings. Got it? Now, this is okay. You want to take a border, just go to this, click on it, general section, effect border. Next, year-wise, how much percent money I spent, I want to see. Take here, pie chart. Next one, pie chart. This is for composition and comparing. I want to take year, legend level year. First take pie chart, year, value level amount. So what I did, first step, second step, year in this column, amount in this column. Because value level, always amount we take. What it is showing, it is clearly telling 19, 50% money I spent, and 18, so 20, 49 point so and so money I spent. Working well. Next one, go to this general effect border. I want to show my geographical locations also. Then click on this map visual. This is map visual. Location level, mention this location. If you explore bigger, this is called bigger exploring, focus mode. It is clearly telling these are the locations I traveled, Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada. My business level, whatever the locations I used, those locations showing me. You want to control with values, go to size, bubble size, amount. Wherever I spent more money, bigger bubble. Wherever I spent less money, small bubble. Got clarity? More money I spent, bigger bubble. Less money I spent, small bubble. Go back to report. Go to this. General, FX, visual border. So now if you click on 20, so 20 locations I travel, 20 spending, and 19 spending, 19 locations, everything changing. And not only this, even if you click on this, respect information, other areas it will show. And this is called cross filtering. What do you call it? This is slicing, but visual level cross filtering available. When you click on this, so travel information, other visuals it is showing. And if you click on internet information, other visuals it is showing. Now click on the blank area. So this is the way we will create interactive, easy, understandable decision-making report. And if you want to save this, file menu, save. What is the extension? PBIX. If you take Word documents, how do they extend? .docx. If you take Excel documents, they saved with .xlsx. This is Power BI. So they saved with PBIX. It's not saving as a report, it's saving as a document. Let me click on this, save. Vinay, second demo report on 13th July 2023. Successfully completed. And it's not a report, it's a document. From this, only this part we need to share to customers. Customers don't require extraction part, transformation part, modeling part, all these parts. He requires only this part. If you want to share only this part to customer, you need to move this report to cloud or server. Where we need to move? Cloud or server. Then only this part we can move it. That part we see in the regular class. So
just a quick question. Sorry to interrupt you.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I will close everything. So this is a document. Power BI document. Let me show you. Not a report. Many people feel like a report. It's not a report. Microsoft giving like a document. And within this reporting information available and you want to share to customers, you need to move to cloud or on-premises server. Then only you can share. But how is it possible? We will see in the regular class. And my intention for today, how easily we develop a report. I installed Power BI Desktop, and without writing any coding, many logics we implemented. And easily we are able to create decision support report. Is that correct? So more or less this way we will do in the real time. But if logics are more, we use one more small language called DAX. Data analysis expressions. There you see little complexity because low code. If logics are more, then we go. Otherwise, this part is sufficient and fully graphical. So I'm done with the plan, whatever I have for today. And coming to sessions. From tomorrow, regular class at 5 p.m. This batch. Next batch is morning 8 o'clock.
Any online classes available, or all these are offline only, right?
Online, offline, both available. So this is my contact number and my timings. You can call me. Yesterday and today, more than 20 people call me. In case you want to call me and discuss with me, yes. Take my sessions, guidance, etc.
Yeah.
Right. This is my contact number I will be placing. If you forget to provide your email ID and mobile number, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number.
Yeah, I have added in the group chat.
And for everyone, we
actually,
will share. 1 second, sir. For everyone, we'll share yesterday and today demo video and demo document. Kindly look into your email. And my request, finish the practical which I explained today. I'll be sharing the data set as well. That is Excel file. Download Power BI Desktop and finish the practical. Also, if possible, read the theory material which I shared with you, so that you'll be in a good position to continue happily from tomorrow. Is that okay? Though you did not do anything, no worries, happily you can continue. But still, if you want to follow nicely, then go through it. Spend your time valuably. And final one, conclusion. As I said, we will provide you all this stuff. Daily live class video, theory, practical material, and training is fully practical on the training. You will be having interaction with me during the session and after the session. WhatsApp group is
Sir,
created
what if
for our
some-
questions, concerns, etc. Resume preparation.
What if
FAQs,
someone do
all-
not have a laptop, sir?
Sir, 1 second, sir. And I will give you 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. SQL covered for 3-4 hours, but this is not sufficient for interview, so you need to learn separately. But there are 9 topics which are important. You need to prioritize. That list I will give you. And material also I will give you for this. An MSBA Cube session 2 hours I will take for your better knowledge and to work multiple projects in the real time. And cloud I'm covering, on-premise also I'm covering. That's all, guys, for today. And tomorrow onwards, regular classes, my team will reach out to you and respond them and continue.
Yeah, I have one question.